How to change Facebook page name on PC. So if you want to change your Facebook page name, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then open up your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, on the upper right corner you will have your profile icon. You can tap on that, and then you can go to see all profiles and go and select your page. And here, after opening your page, on the left side you will have a bunch of options. If you scroll down, you will find edit page info. Click on that, and from here you can change your name on your Facebook page. So for now I don't have a username, but if you want to change it, then you can simply add a username and then you can change it from here. So that's it guys, that's how you change your Facebook page name on PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.